Cold start video, 1950 Bentley Boattail Speedster. It is a cold, wet day here in Arizona, Wednesday, January 7th. "47 degrees on my driveway. "48 degrees in the garage. "52 degrees on the exhaust manifold. 53 degrees on the head. This is a cold engine. Okay, to start the car, you turn the ignition on, turn the main toggle on. Now push the starter. There we go. Starting up from cold. No funny noises. We checked the gauges. We've got good oil pressure. Ammeter's charging. And the temperature gauge is on cold. And looks like we're almost out of gas. While here, take a look at this beautiful Connolly leather. The workmanship on this thing is absolutely fabulous. I love the vintage wrapped steering wheel. The Wilton wool carpets, full instrumentation including a tachometer. I have opened up the compartment behind the passengers, and there is a wine cabinet in there. How about that?